Clearing RAM from your iPhone can really help your iPhone to boost the performance of it. And in today's video, I will tell you the simple tricks and techniques through which you can clear your RAM and enhance the performance of your phone. So what is RAM basically? So RAM helps your phone to enhance the process and it keeps your phone working in a faster mode. So let's start the process without wasting any time. Go to your phone settings, scroll down a bit and tap on accessibility. Now select and toggle the assistive touch. Now go back to the settings, tap on general, scroll down the page and select shutdown. Now tap on the notch and press home button. This will direct your phone to your home page, or if you have selected any passcode, enter it and you are done. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.